Hi, Jane. Well, we have got a bit of spring sunshine out there for some of us. This is the picture in St Leonard's in East Sussex. So it's a little bit hazy if you have got the blue skies, but I think for most of us, skies are a little bit more like this one. This is the picture in Keswick in Cumbria. So we've got a lot of cloud, and for the rest of today, it's producing showery outbreaks of rain that are drifting their way eastwards. But you've probably noticed it's quite mild out there, particularly towards the south and the southeast. We could see 17 degrees or so this afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. Well, it's been largely dry so far today, with a fair amount of cloud around, as captured here by one of our weather watchers. We've had some bright or sunny spells, but for the rest of this afternoon, it will be fairly cloudy, mild and breezy, and a greater chance of some scattered showers developing across from the west.
Hello, good evening. Today has been our mildest day of the year so far here in the capital, with St James's Park, the warmest place in the country, at 18 degrees. So that, of course, means the weather is on the up into the coming days, right? Well, perhaps not. It is generally mild, the exception to that being perhaps tomorrow night. It could turn a bit chilly, maybe a chillier start to the weekend, but it does turn milder once more. Rain around at times, tomorrow in particular, actually some heavy blustery showers, but there will be some drier, brighter weather on occasion as well.
Good rain, good weather for slugs?
Yeah, I'm sure they're coming out this evening because there's plenty of rain out there at the moment. It's been particularly wet actually across parts of Scotland. Anyway, let's have a look at the forecast for tomorrow. So Friday, rain at times with some bright spells. I don't want to emphasise the sunshine too much because I think there'll only be brief glimmers. But back to today, look, we got 18.1 to be precise in central London, 7 degrees in the lowlands with all of that rain.
And I kind of don't want to dare to say it, but it felt kind of spring-like earlier on.
It really did. You're absolutely right. And you know what? Earlier on today, temperatures reached 18.1 degrees Celsius at St James's Park. So this was one of the warmest days of the year for England so far. Obviously, it is going to get a lot warmer in the coming months. But yeah, it really felt absolutely fantastic if you like that sort of weather today. But at the moment, it's been raining outside. We've got more rain clouds on the way for tomorrow.
Hello. Whilst many of us did have a lot of cloud and showery rain on Thursday, not everywhere, we had some welcome drier and brighter weather across parts of the southeast of England, East Anglia too. This was the picture in Suffolk.
Alex, reports of something called gorilla hail in the US. What's that?
I know, it sounds frightening, and it was dubbed gorilla hail by a fairly well-known storm chaser called Reed Timmer, who, yes, has been chasing storms in America. This was the scene, actually, in Kansas on Wednesday night. They've had loads of thunderstorms, and when you get thunderstorms, you can often get tornadoes, you get a fast-rotating column of air, and then you get an updraft, and that's when the hailstones start to form. And when they become very heavy, they then begin to drop out of the sky. But when you've got a very strong updraft, they can stay in the air that bit longer and get a lot bigger. And here they are. Yes, they've been the size of golf balls, if not bigger. In fact, the local weather service had to put out a warning advising people to stay indoors, because if one of those hit you on the head, it certainly could cause a lot of damage. Thankfully, closer to home, the weather has been a lot more, well, I wouldn't say settled, but it has been not as ferocious as it's been across the other side of the Atlantic. Let's take a quick look at tomorrow, because it is Gold Cup Day at Cheltenham. It's the last day, and it is a big race which kicks off in the afternoon. What are the conditions going to be like if you are going along? Well, it is going to be fairly changeable. Yes, there will be some bright spells of sunshine, but also a fair few showers. Can't even rule out the odd thunderstorm. And you can see temperatures, though, certainly on the mild side. And as we head through the next few days, they are going to be staying above average for the time of year. So as we creep forward into the weekend, things are going to stay fairly changeable, certainly for the showers on the cars, as I mentioned, some bright breaks, but staying quite mild, particularly in the south, possibly with highs of 16, 17 degrees Celsius as we head through the next few days. And here's why. We've got that warmer feed of air coming in from the southwest at the moment. So as I say, temperatures will be remaining above average for the time of year, even during the night time as well. It could be fairly mild as well, but as you push further north, it will be a little more fresh. So there you have it. It could be a lot worse. We could have gorilla hell. We don't have any of that. We've got showers and also some sunny spells and maybe highs of 17 in the coming days.
It's getting warmer. Alex, thank you.